So I'm a senior 3D artist for over like 9 years. I'm working in Blender. I worked on different projects for movies, for games. I was studying biomedical engineering. We were having some classes, some lectures about Blender. And I just started to dive deeper into it. Probably it was the movie industry that I really liked to watch, like different kind of movies like Star Wars, and I was like, okay, I want to be able to do that one day. Right now I'm able and I'm doing that, so I'm super happy. That was my dream to come here, so already like seeing all the talks, all the people, that probably was the best thing to do.